So this is the renovated space. We have spotlights here for art, display art. And the ceiling has been painted. They had to do a little bit of repairing with the kind of chemical seal to just reinforce the structure. And it's painted with black and white. And then you can see the metal springs at the top. So then there's rails up here for art as well. And this room, we have air conditioning, a fan, and also more space for hanging arts, and some spotlights. Everything has been repainted, brush paint, because this place was old, it was dated, and we just needed clean walls for showcasing art so that the art stands out more and is highlighted and featured more against the plain walls. This is a little patio area which will have some plants, and we are going to be doing a mural on this wall. I'm very excited. The great thing about this is we have natural light coming through. We have some spotlights here and more space here for hanging arts. This is the bathroom. So, privacy is great because it's frosted. We'll be putting in some more additions of things here. This is just the base that we are starting off with. We'll be getting more tables and beds and all kind of stuff. But I'm just showing you the update now. Because before you saw we had a lot of rubble, we had a lot of junk and things to clear out. So this is just basically the updated version. The builders did a great job. Just the modern version of the Spanish house that are found in traditional homes, traditional European Spanish homes. This is a chukum countertop. Chukum is Mayan, so it's kind of a rustic look. We put in new appliances. I showed you previously what this area looked like, so you know everything's new, because I had already filmed and shown this area. So there's also storage space down here. This is a new door. When you're cooking, it's very rustic and very like concrete right now with all the stone. So we will be adding more plants. The pool is nice and deep. Quite a lot of space. There's a bench there to sit. This is a barbecue grill, and we have lights on the side. The upstairs patio area. There's lots of space to charge appliances up here. Lovely tile area with a lovely tile carpet. There's some citrus trees around here. Sour citrus, and garden space, garden area around here, which is nice.
Todo esto que se está reflejando acá es como hay mucha hoja, son patios muy antiguos, mucha hoja, toda cae aquí, detrechos. Y lo vuelven a repellar.
And they like redo it again.
It's strong enough.
Yeah.
No problem. The roof too. A little bunch of croissants enormes que han hecho por la edad.
That they repair some parts of the building because of the building. And you will of course need to do more of that,
Yes.
of these jobs on those places.
Those cracks is caused by esos grietas son causadas por varillas oxidadas,
Okay.
steel bars.
Still looks rusty. Yeah, you need to fix it immediately so that the steel bars don't rust more.
So I think we're gonna be breaking this wall down. As you can see, There was some tiles in the past year. So this will be broken down and a little side garden will be put in. Like I said, the upstairs area has like a patio and all that. And yeah, so just to let in some more light, we're gonna break down this wall, like I said before, to make an area for some plants and also an area to let in more light into this room. This is the bathroom. Things have to be cleaned out and changed in here as well. These tiles are pretty nice. They're pretty new, so we don't really have to change these tiles. And the boys did a good job clearing out the rubbish and rubble, but there's still a lot more, as you can see. So, you know, step by step, things will be fixed and things will be refurbished. But it's not going to be instant. It has to be over a couple of weeks, you know, a couple of months for this to be fixed up.
La otra sería otro, no, quizás nos llevemos otro día más.
I think we're going to be making this a bit different. This is the window of the bathroom. We're gonna put in a frosted window, and we're gonna put in a new kitchen definitely in this area. So this is the garden, and at the top here there's some space for like a patio. We have some roof spotlights where it lets natural light into this house, and we're going to be putting in more roof spotlights just to create more light because it's pretty dark inside there. We just have to clean on top. I know I don't have a ladder to go up right now, but later on I'll show you guys what it looks like on top there. This is the back area, and it's very dark, so we'll definitely need to put more spotlights in here and maybe a glass door over there just to let in some more light because it's a little bit dark in this part. But it's nice and spacious, lots of room. This is white sage. Just to get out the old stale energy. Push the old stale energy out the door. What is the new painted ceiling, and the old paint has been removed. The old paint has been removed. These are the old doors that were once here. They made like round arches. There's a tall doorway. And this was once an old storeroom that they broke down. And now they have put a nice glass on top. This glass was specially made. This is going to be a little garden area. And they also did a kind of a smooth arch here for the garden area. Which is nice. And some spotlight. That's all the old spotlight. This is what the new glass looks like. We are building a wall here just to section off everything. Just make it a little bit private, but This is gonna be like a rooftop kind of garden. But yeah, this wall is new. This is the glass top that I was showing you on the patio down there. There's some paint over there where we are going to do the mural later today. I'm very excited because I haven't painted in a long time. I've been so busy. Yes, there is outlets, plugs out here for electricity if someone wants to charge their phone or charge their laptop. Birds. Lots of birds because there's a garden area back here with mostly trees and fruits. For example, right here, there's some orange, sour orange. So as usual, I sage for bad energy, mal de ojo, negative evil spirits, and just to welcome great, positive, creative energy in this place. So we are getting rid of any leftover stale energy and welcoming new energy, creative energy, positive energy, inspirational energy and motivation, front and back. Let that stale energy go. So we are in the garden center, picking out some flowers. These are the plants that we bought. Because the patio area is a little bit bare, so we want to just make things more colorful and brighten things up. This is really pretty. This is a hibiscus. Really, really pretty. Yeah, so this is a lovely garden center. So we are going to transplant the flowers and the plants to the patio.